In this video, we're just going to see how to fix this problem. When I want to create a cluster on my Databricks workspace, it's quite simple. It says these accounts may not have enough CPU cores to satisfy this request. Estimated available is 20. To just calculate this is I have the minimum workers, the executors here, minimum is 2 and the maximum is 10. And I don't have enough. The maximum I have is 20, but I'm requesting to create a 40, and the 40 is simply 4 times the maximum number of workers, which is 44. I'm going to go into my Azure. In my Azure portal, I'll just come down to my subscription. In my subscription, I'm going to click on the subscription I have. And there I can see the usage and quota. I can click on the usage and quota. On my usage and quota, you can see that the standard DS V3 family CPUs that I have, the maximum is 20. And what I'm requesting in my Databricks is to create 44, but it's not going to happen. I could come here and increase and make adjustment to the quota that I have. I'm not going to do this because I really don't need up to that for the amount of work I'm going to do. So what I could do is to go back to Databricks. And going back to Databricks, I could come here and make an adjustment to this, and I could reduce this to probably 4. And 4 times 4 is going to be 16, and 16 is still within the max that I have here, which is 20. And when I reduce this to 4, I could reduce to 5 and it's just going to max it out, or I could bring it down as much as 2 or 3. When I'm done, everything seems fine for me, and what I want to do, I could come here and just create my compute. And this is just going to run in a few minutes. Yeah, and this is all sorted. You can see the green button here. I could just go to compute, and you can see that my compute is up and running. And I hope this fixed the problem for you. You could drop a comment to let me know how it goes for you, and if it's not resolved, we could find other ways around. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.